Plot orientation and site planning. Before you build, find your true direction. Do you know the first thing a Vastu designer should establish on a plot? Before placing even one room, that is true orientation. And this is where many people make a mistake. They stand at the entrance, open a phone, compass, and immediately decide my plot is north facing. But Vastu planning begins with something more fundamental. Where is the true north? Traditional Vastu treats the determination of direction as an important stage of the site planning before the building layouts is developed. Once the cardinal directions are established, the plot can be understood in relation to north, south, east, and west. And then the four intermediate directions. Why does this matter? Because the orientation of the site affects how we understand the entire plan. The position of the road, the entry, the building footprint, open spaces, and the relationship between different zones all need to be considered together. And here's something very important: plot facing and building orientation are not necessarily the same thing. The plot may have a road on one side, but the actual building can be positioned and oriented within that site in different way. So don't start your Vastu analysis with which room gets where. Start with where exactly is my site and how is it oriented. Then study the plot shape, proportions, surroundings, and climate before developing the plan. So, traditional Vastu treats the land as the starting point of the building process, not as an afterthought. So remember, first establish the direction, then understand the site, then design the building. That is the beginning of the intelligent Vastu planning. This is Sunita Pandit, designing spaces, aligning energies.